Do you enjoy cracking your back or neck to reduce pain, thinking that you're adjusting your spine? You're totally wrong. Then why this crack happens? You must understand the concept here. Our joint is filled with this lubricant fluid called synovial fluid, which gives a good mobility to the joint. This fluid has a dissolved gases inside like oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide. When you suddenly open the joint, it increases the space inside the joint. So that means the pressure is reducing. So these dissolved gases comes up and forms the air bubble. The sudden forming and bursting of this air bubble is what you hear as a click or the crack. It gives you a great muscle relaxation, but that's temporary. It's not going to change your chronic pain pattern. For that, you need a proper exercise protocol. To know more about the exercises which gives you a lasting relief, follow PhysiGuru.